Good afternoon, morning, after morning, or evening. I am the mainly digger, and I just got done metal detecting, which is awesome. Um, had a really good day, had a really good time. I went back to an older location. I'm on the location currently. So I am back at the library, and last time I was here, it was December. It was one of the times I found a sleigh bell, which is awesome, and I found like a axe head, another one, and a spoon. So I definitely came back here. I had a good time. It was just a good time in general. It's the old library in New Sharon, in New Sharon. Um, Good times. That's all. Really was. I'm gonna get back and do some homework, college work. But yeah, my beard's growing back. There's an accident. I had to shave it. Well, I was trimming it and then trimmed it too much, and then I tried to blend it in, and it just didn't work. And then I was going to go with the Wolverine where this part was shaved and it just didn't. I couldn't pull it off. I just couldn't pull it off. So I just shaved the whole beard, and my wife, who hates the beard, was like, you need the beard back. You need it back." So it's been growing back, and it's finally showing a little bit gray, a little bit actual color in there. But I didn't go back to the other location in Waterville just because I needed a break, and I wanted to go drive and explore a little bit. And I just couldn't find the right spot. And then I was like, I'll just come back to this spot. And that's what I did, it was a good idea. I had fun, and watch the video. Mainly dig it out. So I am back at the library in New Haven. What an idiot. I'm such an idiot. New Sharon. Not whatever I said. I think I said New Haven. New Sharon. Anyway, I was back here. Last time I was here was in December. Found a lot of cool stuff. I just found something. I don't know what it is. Decided to check along here. And got a hit and found it, which is awesome. I've been kind of bouncing around. I really ain't found anything until I got here. So, good times. Parked all the way down there. But it is awesome. I was going to go do the field, but the field is covered in manure, so not going to do the field. I don't know, some type of tool, blade, I don't know, for a piece of farming equipment. I'm behind the building now. Right over there's where I found a spoon and a axe, which is pretty cool, axe head. So, in one hole, that hole, backside of the barn, found all sorts of stuff. All sorts of nails, and there's still nails. I just stopped picking stuff up because it was mostly newer nails. But out of that newer pile of nails is this, looks kind of like, it's a square nail, but it looks like a coffin nail. I don't think it's a coffin nail, but that is an old square nail in good condition, completely square. That's pretty cool. An old hinge, or just a hinge, I don't know if it's old or not, but that is cool. It's rusty. No idea what that is. Found it with a piece of glass and lots of like little nails. For every one hole or one thing that I find, cool thing I find, I'd find a bunch of nails, which just means there was a lot of work done back here, or they just threw nails here or whatever. Anyway, that's pretty cool. So I just want to stop, take a break, and then show this tree that wasn't toppled over the last time I was here. Last time I was here, this whole place was covered in white snow. But I'm definitely going to run a metal detector over this thing, look at the rocks, and see what I find out. Very cool. I just found a piece of tin, but in that same hole, I found some pottery, which I like. I love pottery. It's pretty, I don't know how old it is, but still enjoyable. No idea what it is. Pretty cool though. Found it over there. I'm in the field right now. The cars, I'm working my way back to my vehicle. Looks like it could be something, but it also looks like it could be melted lead. So I don't know. So I haven't done one of these in a while, but this is what I found today. Using my Garrett. I love my Garrett. So by far my favorite thing is the big square nail, the big ass square nail. I mean, it's awesome. Love finding these. I always find little square nails. I always find square nails like this or like this, where there's little. But I do love the big square nails. I love this. Another thing that I don't know what that's from or what's that for, but I do like it. This, it looks something mechanical. I don't know. I like that too, just because it's new. I've never seen it. Pottery. I love pottery. I love the pottery. Do a little research. Definitely gonna research this, and I'll probably forget to make a video about it, but I'll figure it out. And then just modern things. Steel. I mean metal. Metal detecting unified metal. The hinge. I don't think it's that old, but could be. Who knows? This guy. No idea. Modern. More pottery. This is pretty cool too. I don't know what it is though. Pretty sure this is modern. Definitely modern. Another little hinge. I didn't notice that before, but that's a little hinge. Cool. Mainly dig out.